I present to you CS50 Wiki task. Let's talk about the entry page. If you reach the entry page through the get method by typing /wiki/ any entry title, say CSS, it will take you to the entry page for that title. If you enter a title that doesn't exist, let's first, it will give you an error message. Entry doesn't exist. The next is the index page. If you index page, every entry list in this index page has been linked with a link that will take you, once you click it, to the entry page of each list page. For instance, if I click on CSS, it will take me to the entry page for CSS. If I select HTML, it will take me to the entry page of HTML. The next is the search page. In this search page, if you search any title of any entry that is on the list of entries, it will display the entry page of that list entry. Let's say Python. It will give you the. If I type a title that doesn't exist, let's say icons, it will give you an error page. Query does not match any entry. If I type any letter like YTHO, this is sub content of Python, and it will display Python for you. If I type T, it will give you a search page for all the list items that contains the letter T as a sub item. And that's Git, HTML, and Python. If you click any one of them, it will take you to the entry page. The next is new page. This new page has been linked from the nav bar, and once you click it, it will take you to a new page where you will be able to create a new list entry. The list entry contains a title, input, which is a text input, and a content input there, which is text area. When I type an input, let's say CS50 W, for instance, and enter the markup contents of the CS50W, if I click save, it will take me to the entry page where this new entry has been saved. If I try to create an entry that already exists, let's say CSS, I'll receive an error message that entry already exists. The next is the edit page. Be able to edit any entry page. For instance, the CSS, there is an edit button included in any entry page. Once you click this edit button, it will take you to a new page where you'll be able to edit the content of this CSS entry. See, the title is already there. It is populated with the content. This is a CSS. I can update it by typing in this place updated. If I click this button update, the CS50 has been updated. The next is the random page. When you click this random page, it will be able to, it has the ability to give you random display of an entry page for all the entry lists.